You're the ray of light. Light can be beautiful. Light can be beautiful. Going all the way tonight, making it beautiful. Acting like there's no tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Pandora here, and I'm back with a new video. Today we're going to be doing this makeup look. I absolutely love it. It's colorful, fun, and perfect for the upcoming holidays. If you want to see how I did it, then keep on watching. And before you leave, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Let's grow together, explore together, and test makeup together. Without much rambling, let's get into it. And I'm gonna start with priming my face. And today for the primer, I'm using Dr. Brand Pores No More. For the foundations today, I'm going to use DERMABLEND Flawless Creator, and I'm going to mix 1 drop of Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears liquid highlighter. And I'm going to apply it with my Sigma Flat Angle Kabuki brush F88. For the eyebrows today, I'm going to be using a Dip Brow Pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using a Sigma Persuade eyeshadow base, and I'm going to be applying it with a Sigma F75 brush. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going to be using a Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2. For my crease, I'm going to use the shade Rogue, and I'm going to apply it with a Sigma E25 brush. Just packing it in and then buff it out and build it to the intensity that you want. You can leave it more natural, you can leave it more intense. I love their eyeshadow because you can kind of blend it out and slowly build it to the intensity that you want, because the more you pack, the more intense the color is. And it's really easy to work with them. Love this palette for that. And I'm going to cut my crease with Unexpected gel liner from Sigma, since I'm gonna go in with more of a smoked out greenish shadow. I want my base to be darker. And with Sigma E75, I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. And with Sigma E60, I'm going to top it with a Fool's Gold. Since I want to darken everything in the outer corner and along where the crease is, so I'm gonna go in with a Russet and with Sigma E30. And I'm going to go back in with E25 and whatever is left on the brush and blend it together. Now I'm going to go in with a black eyeliner, and I'm going to use the black side of the pan Nightlife from Sigma in collaboration with Camila Coelho. Then with my Sigma L04 brush and Control eyeshadow in black, I'm gonna smoke out the edges of the eyeliner. For the mascara today, I'm going to use a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. To highlight my brow bone today, I'm going to use a Humble and with my Sigma E04. For the lashes, I'm going to use Demi false lashes. Fake It Till You Make It from Handmade. Alright guys, I am going to do the other eye and I'll be right back. To finish my face, to conceal, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair Clair. I'm gonna set my concealer with Laura Mercier translucent powder. For the under eye, I'm gonna use a Rogue and my E25 brush. I'm gonna go in the waterline with my Nightlife in the shade Eclipse. And then I'm gonna drag it down as well. With my Sigma E20, I'm going to blend everything out, and I'm going to top it with the Gold Full mascara. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to go in and tap a little bit of a concealer, and then I'm going to add on top of it the shade Humble, and then on top of it I'm going to add a little glitter, and in the shade Bewitch glitter from Sigma. To contour my face today, I'm going to be using the Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour palette, and with the Sigma F40 I'm going to go in to the Throw shade. To blush, I'm going to be using Sigma Blush Cheek Palette, and with my E37 I'm going to dig into Cor de Rosa. For the highlighter, I'm going to back into Sigma Sculpt Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to go into Shine On using Sigma F35. For the lipstick, I'm going to go with Sigma New Mod Liquid Lipstick. We're going to set everything in place and we are good to go. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, give us a big like and consider subscribing for more videos like that. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye, lovies!